If you're out here trying to grow your brand, your business, or your bag in 2025, and you still think you got to come up with something brand new to win, nah, bro, you're working way too hard. Let me put you on game. The real secret to blowing up online ain't originality. It's imitation done right. You're trying to win? Good, stick around because I'm about to break down the exact blueprint that million subscriber creators are using. And it starts with copy and smart. You ever heard that saying, good artists copy, great artists steal? That's not me, that's Picasso. And even Steve Jobs quoted that. Listen, most of us, we get stuck thinking we gotta reinvent the wheel, come up with something totally brand new to stand out. But let me tell you, that mindset right there, that's gonna keep you broke and frustrated. You wanna know the real secret? The fastest way to learn any skill is to study the masters. Look, nobody starts out as a Michelangelo, chiseling away in the dark. They study the classics, they learn the techniques, they master the fundamentals. And you know what? Building a business, building a brand online, it's no different. You got to study the people who are already winning in your space. Don't be afraid to copy their homework, at least in the beginning. Here's your action step for this chapter. Find one creator or business in your niche that's absolutely crushing it. I'm talking about the ones who are killing it with the views, the engagement, the sales. Now, I'm not saying plagiarize. What I am saying is study them like a scholar. Look at their content, break it down. Cody Sanchez, she's a beast in the finance game. She broke this down beautifully. She said, imitate, iterate, then innovate. Boom, those three words right there, that's your creator's journey, your roadmap to success. But here's the thing, most of us, we're impatient. We want to skip straight to the innovation part, to the look at me, I'm unique part, but we haven't mastered the damn basics yet. We haven't put in the reps. It's like trying to run a marathon without knowing how to tie your shoelaces. So here's your action step for this chapter, a 3-part plan. Step 1, imitate. Pick one high-performing video in your niche, something that really resonates with you. Step 2, change one thing, just one. Maybe it's your background, your lighting, the way you deliver a line, your hook. This is iteration. You're taking what works and tweaking it, making it your own. Look, I get it. You're driven, you're ambitious, you want to be unique, you want to stand out from the crowd. And trust me, that's a good thing. But here's the truth. In the beginning, it's okay to sound like somebody else. It's like learning music. You play the hits before you write your own song. You got to internalize the melodies, the chords, the rhythms before you can create your own masterpiece. The same goes for building your brand, your voice online. It's about training your ear, developing your style through practice, through repetition. It's like an apprentice learning from a master craftsman. You watch, you listen, you absorb. You don't expect to create a masterpiece on day one. So here's your action step. Pick 3 creators you admire, people who are killing it in your field. Now go watch their top 3 videos. But here's the key. Don't just watch them, study them. Write out their intro word for word. Pay attention to their cadence, their delivery, their energy. Now here's where the magic happens. Practice saying those intros yourself, but do it your way. Now once your content starts moving, once you're starting to build that audience, you got to think bigger. You got to think beyond just views and likes. You got to think revenue streams. Cody talked about this. Books, coaching, software, courses, merchandise. The possibilities are endless. She said something that really stuck with me. You probably have more businesses than you think. Think about it. What are you already good at? What do people come to you for advice on? What are you passionate about? Those are all potential income streams just waiting to be tapped into. Here's your action step. Get out a pen and paper and write down all the ways you help people. Is it one-on-one coaching? Is it selling information products? Is it creating templates or resources? List it all out. Don't hold back. Now, circle the 2 easiest to monetize. The ones that feel the most aligned with your skills and your audience. Let's be real. You can't build an empire alone. You need a team, a squad of rock stars who share your vision and are ready to hustle with you. But here's the thing. Hiring. It's not just about finding someone with the right skills. It's about finding the right fit for your culture, for your values. My man Sean Cannell, he's a genius when it comes to building teams. Gave us the blueprint, the 5 C's of hiring. Listen, a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of creatives, they make this mistake early on. They try to talk to everybody. They try to be everything to everyone. But here's the truth. The real money, the real impact is in the niche. It's in becoming the go-to expert for a specific group of people for solving a specific problem. Cody said it best, most people haven't even scratched the surface of their niche before they try to switch up, before they get bored or think they need to reach a wider audience. But the real growth, the real connection, it happens when you go deep, not wide. Action step. Pick one person you want to help, not a demographic, not a psychographic. A person. Give them a name. What are their dreams, their fears? What keeps them up at night? Now, let's talk about YouTube strategy. One of the biggest mistakes I see creators making is thinking they need separate channels for short form and long form content. They're out there juggling multiple accounts, splitting their focus and diluting their brand. Here's the truth. YouTube wants it all, shorts and long form. They want to see that you're creating a variety of content, that you're engaging your audience on multiple levels. And the best way to do that is to post both types of content on the same channel. Why? Because it creates a more holistic viewing experience. People can go from watching a quick, engaging short to diving deep into a longer, more in-depth video, all without leaving your channel. Action step. Create a system for your content creation. I recommend aiming for 2 long-form videos a month and 3 to 5 shorts a week. Chapter 8. Build your avatar like a real person. Here's a hard truth. Most of you are talking to everyone and reaching no one. You're trying to cast a wide net, hoping to catch as many fish as possible. But the real game, the real connection, it happens when you get laser focused on your ideal customer. You got to know your avatar, your dream client, like you know your best friend, and I mean know them. Well, what are their hopes, their dreams, their fears? What keeps them up at night? What are their pain points, their aspirations? Action step. Give your avatar a name. Get specific. Chapter 9. Know what you're willing to sacrifice. Let's be real. Everybody wants the dream. Everyone wants the freedom, the impact, the financial abundance. But here's the catch. Few are willing to pay the price. Few are willing to put in the work, to make the sacrifices, to stay committed when the going gets tough. Cody told this powerful story about a woman in her 60s who was trying to pivot her career, trying to start a new business. And Cody stopped her and said, stop asking what you want and ask what you're willing to give up. Boom. That hit me like a ton of bricks, because here's the truth. Success isn't about doing more. It's about sacrificing right. It's about letting go of the things that are holding you back. Chapter 10. Stop labeling yourself as less than. If I hear one more person say, I struggle because I'm this or I'm not that, I'm going to scream. Stop it. That mindset right there, that's the enemy. That's what's holding you back from achieving your full potential. Cody said it best, what you speak, you live. If you constantly focus on your perceived flaws on what you lack, that's what you're going to manifest in your life. But here's the thing, what you call a weakness, what you perceive as a disadvantage could actually be your superpower. Action step. Flip your script. Instead of saying, I'm not good enough because, say I win, I'm different. Say, I get remembered, I don't fit the mold. Own your story. Own your uniqueness. Make your perceived flaws your strengths. Your journey starts now. Now listen, if you're trying to grow your brand, your content, and your income in 2024, you need strategy. You need tools. You need to understand where AI fits in the game. So I put together a powerful guide just for you. It's called The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. And you can download it right now at The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing.com. Don't wait. The future belongs to the bold.